Hey y'all, welcome to Renee at lunch. I stopped at the wing stop, so I have the thighs, and they gave me some ranch. I got lemon pepper. Let's see. I had to order them. I was able to do it through DoorDash. So, ooh, it's hot. Ooh, hot. I didn't grab any napkins, so this could be messy. It's like my third mukbang. Someone else already commented, hey, we need more smacking. Cute. It's hot. But there it is. I got lemon pepper. I got the 3-piece. And I got the fries. So it's gonna get messy. So yeah, I ordered it on DoorDash. I normally get the lemon pepper wings. I like wings, but I like thighs as well. Not bad, nice and hot, not dry. But I don't know if you can see the grease. The wings are this way too, sitting in a puddle of grease. How's your day going? I was talking to my co-workers the other day, and I was telling them that if my daughter have a fit, but y'all, I won't tell her if y'all won't tell her. But you know, she met a little guy friend, and she's, you know, she's 22. She'll be 23 this year, and you know what? I just taken a stance. Of course, I have motherly advice to give, but I just want her to explore life. And so, without you know, my feedback, because you know, everybody has an opinion, advice, and right now I'm a single mom. I'm not dating anyone, so not that I don't have anything to add, but you know, when you come together with someone, it's the two of you that have to work out the details on your relationship. So I just want her to be free. And for you parents that are out there watching this, what are your thoughts? Because my coworkers were a little surprised that I wasn't getting involved. But yeah, we've talked about it at length. Matter of fact, when she was growing up, I had her read what's his name? Steve Harvey's book. Think Like a Man, Act Like a Lady. This is messy. But it does have the bone. There's really not a part of the chicken that I don't like. So, but I would order it again, but definitely would soak up some of that grease. Yeah, my daughter and I, we have a good relationship. She could talk to me about anything. And there's times that she will tell me everything, and there's times that she keeps some things private. So I respect that. But there's times where, you know, she'll ask me a hard question, and I'll answer it truthfully, honestly. But I'll be cringing on the inside, I admit. I don't know if the lighting is getting bad. I'm in my car. I'll eat one more thigh. You see my hands are shiny from the grease. But that'd be the only thing. It's nice and crunchy. I think they're a nice size. My lunch cost me about $7. I do have a Sprite. Nice and cold. I also do wealth chats. So I will throw this in here, like Wingstop. Think of all the restaurants that remain open during the pandemic. Wingstop was one of them. A lot of restaurants had to adapt to the new way, and I don't know if they did delivery service beforehand, but again, like I said, I was able to order off of my DoorDash app and to come on over and pick it up. A lot of times I do have it delivered to the house, but you know, the cost of having it delivered, it's almost, especially for small cheap orders like $8, it would have ended up costing me like $16. So my question is, would you buy Wingstop as a stock? Is it worth researching? Could you make money off of it? I don't know. I guess it's worth the research, huh? Because their name, just think they're had to revamp. Whereas the name of the place is called Wingstop. Now they're selling thighs because they're saying there's a shortage of wings, which I kind of expected that, because just think about, you go to restaurants and you order unlimited wings, and not unlimited wings, but you know, wings everywhere. So they're having to rebrand. Like, for instance, I had to key in thigh stop. So, you know, as a business, how do you incorporate a new product to your line, to your menu? So the question is, will it be a successful move for them? I don't know. We'll see. So, thank you for joining me for lunch. See you at the next lunch date. Bye for now.